In this video, we will solve 125 squared minus 124 squared using the difference of squares idea, and we will do it step by step with quick visual cues. Here is the problem. Step 1. Recall the difference of squares identity. It says, a squared minus b squared equals, open parenthesis, a minus b, close parenthesis, times, open parenthesis, a plus b, close parenthesis. Step 2. Identify a and b for our problem. We choose a equals 125 and b equals 124. Step 3. Apply the identity to the expression. So we write 125 squared minus 124 squared equals, open parenthesis, 125 minus 124, close parenthesis, times, open parenthesis, 125 plus 124, close parenthesis. Step 4. Compute each factor. First, 125 minus 124 equals 1. Next, 125 plus 124 equals 249. Step 5. Multiply the two results. 1 times 249 equals 249. Therefore, the value of 125 squared minus 124 squared is 249. Optional check. Square each number and subtract. 125 squared equals 15,625. 124 squared equals 15,376. The difference is 249, confirming our answer. Intuitive cue. Consecutive squares differ by their sum. N squared minus, open parenthesis, n minus 1, close parenthesis, squared equals n plus, open parenthesis, n minus 1, close parenthesis. For n equals 125. The gap is 125 plus 124, which is 249. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.